Tru-Gage, increased speed, fully automated, eliminating human error, making the production line safer and more efficient. The Tru-Gage inline measuring machine is revolutionizing the way robotic machining cells are being monitored and run. The ultimate value of the inline Tru-Gage measuring machine is apparent when many machining cells need to be monitored on an hour-to-hour basis. The entire process is controlled by Micron Tru software, programmed by the same people that engineered the machine. This user-friendly software allows for customized measurement tests. Any variety of measurement checks can be carried out. The process begins with the inline recognition camera identifying the wheel. Temperature is then measured by the centering gripper. The loading gripper picks up the wheel and places it on an 8-finger high precision chuck. Here, the wheel is clamped to prepare it for various measurements. A second camera identifies the valve hole and positions it in line with the measuring slide rollers. The first measurement is made when the measuring slide rollers are engaged and rotate the wheel 362 degrees. This device measures the runout, as well as the diameter, circumference, wheel width, and offset. In the next position, the device measures rim horn thickness on the inboard and outboard rim sections. The spindle positions the first bolt hole in 0 position. The PCD device positions itself to the first bolt hole and aligns the axis before measuring the entire sequence. During this process, the PCD and positional tolerance are measured, as well as the depth of each hole. The concentricity of the PCD to center bore is also calculated and recorded. The center cap diameter is then measured using the same device. The wheel is rotated and aligned with the spoke and inner diameter device. This device measures the height of the spoke, as well as the inner diameter in the well of the wheel, and the thickness of the tire bead seat. Lastly, the 8-finger chuck carries out the center bore measurement. The wheel is then removed from the spindle and replaced with a new wheel to be measured. If the results recorded are out of tolerance, the wheel will be classified as a reject and sent down the appropriate conveyor. Details of the rejection will be printed out. If the wheel meets all measurement criteria, it moves along the conveyor to the next process in line. The Tru-Gage 324 enhances safety and is invaluable in carrying out rapid measurement checks that spare time, money, and human energy. The Tru-Gage can measure more wheels more quickly than any other. The Tru-Gage machine is already an indispensable part of all major alloy wheel plants in South Africa and has become a desirable machine globally. Operational in the plants of ATS Light Alloy Wheels in Alabama, Hayes Lemmers International in Gainesville, Uni Wheels in Poland, Siam Lemmers in Thailand, and BBS Kraftfahrzeugetechnik in Germany. Economical, safe, and fast. The Tru-Gage is rapidly becoming a crucial component of any major alloy wheel production line.